a wonderful good day and a warm welcome to this short, simple video on how to in a BMW. First series. E87, E88, E81. In any case, we have here the E87, specifically engine code N43. Model year 2008, 125 kilowatts, petrol engine, but it's essential, the model year. And this one here is a first BMW. And with that one, we did an oil change and want to reset the service. And I wanted to have that in a separate video. And I really want to show you guys how you can go about resetting the entire process. And I'd say let's go ahead and get started. Here's how we're doing it. Doors closed. Of course, the best conditions to do this are when the battery is fully dead. So ignition on. Wait till this goes out. Press the button and hold it down. So then it will display this here for us, and then we can hear. You don't see it right now. On this lever here at the bottom left, we can then press it upwards and carefully cycle through all the options it's asking us to choose from. Once we've selected the service, we'll proceed to the next step. For example, oil -3000. And if we want to reset that, then we press the BC button here. Press once, let go, and then press it again, holding it down this time. If the battery is dead, then he obviously won't do it, so he's finished it now. We can now turn off the ignition again. Turn it on, and as we can see, the service is no longer there. He now only wants the next one, 1023. Let's take a look at what he wants there. Keep it down. Oh, he wants to go for the MOT 1023. He wants the front brake soon at 13,000. Check 25,000. We've got oil, brake fluid at 25, rear brake at 48. That's how the whole situation looks like right now. So to repeat, we turn the ignition on. Wait until that disappears and we see the mileage. Then we press this button and hold it down. So then we select with the button here on the left, downwards. We go up and choose the service. For example, press it once here. And now press it once more and hold it down firmly. I'm not doing that now because it would otherwise reset it. And that's pretty much it. Then let's turn everything off. All right, folks, that's how quick and easy it is to reset the service, as long as you know how to do it, of course. I hope this video helped some of you out there, and I'd say if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for support. Let us know in the comments which vehicles we should reset service for next, or what other service tasks we might possibly do, or which models are missing. Or please write all of that down in the comments section below, and I'd say until next time, bye.